Have you ever laughed out loud that someone you were drinking eventually came out from the nose? Okay, yeah. So is it kind of like a something really happened? Yeah, it happened. It happened, and it's a very amazing story. Okay. So question is about that कि like basically आप इतना हंस रहे थे कि हंसते हंसते लाइक द पानी मुंह से जगह नाक से निकल गया. सो हैव यू एवर हैपेंड दिस थिंग? यस, इट हैपेंड. Well, almost like 2 year ago. Okay, 2 year ago. Yeah, 1 year ago. Last year. Yeah, last year. Me and my friend, we went to climb a mountain. Okay, and we climbed the mountain. All right, like not the mountain that you are expecting. Okay, like we went to, okay, because of the privacy violation I won't be able to say, but still, okay, I would say that it's not the privacy violation. Okay, so last year we went to Karsubai Peak. Okay, Karsubai is the highest mountain range in the Maharashtra. Okay, which is almost like 1,000 feet, or maybe I'm not really sure, but it's very high. Okay, so it's a trek, and we went to trekking, and it's just like that. Ki after the trek, everyone are really exhausted. Everyone are thing. Okay, so we just like we actually at room and hotel room, and not hotel room, we went to, yeah, we went to hotel room, and we are so tired we just slept. Okay, then next day we plan for just alcohol. Okay, like everyone will drink alcohol. So at that time everyone are drinking alcohol. I also drink 1 or 2 pack. I don't really drink that much because my body won't be able to handle alcohol that much. So usually, like, I don't know. Okay, like every time I drink alcohol I just puke. So I usually prefer to not to drink that much. Okay, but my most of the friend are actually drinking wine, alcohol, vodka, वगैरह वगैरह. Okay, so there is a one of the friend who is actually drinking a lot. Okay, and basically this thing, he was actually puking multiple times. Okay, and then what is actually happened is that he, there is a one time which is like basically at that time he was kind of like a puking. Okay, another guy, another one of my friend is also kind of like a ready with the bucket. Okay, like a, when he was kind of like a tilted his body or kind of like a try to puke. Okay, he just put that entire bucket into him, यानी वो पूरी की पूरी बकेट उसको लाइक पूरी बकेट में डाल देते उसका मुंडका. Okay, and basically the exactly same thing happened. Okay, like उसको उल्टी आ रही थी. Okay, उसने कुछ ऊ करके ऐसा कुछ किया. जैसे ही किया उसने, suddenly one of my friend put the bucket, पूरी की पूरी बकेट उसके अंदर डाल दी. And the moment was so amazing. I don't know how do I supposed to explain this thing. It's a kind of like something really the visual experience. Okay, but I'm gonna try to visualize to you what exactly happened. Okay, so he was actually like sitting here. He's sitting at somewhere. Okay, I was actually sitting behind. Behind means like that. I was try to kind of like a something really that key hold that key he won't fall off. Okay, as also one of my friend is also holding him. Okay, when he was kind of like a tilted to me to puking. Okay, I was gonna scared that कि अभी ये मेरे आंख पे उल्टी कर देगा. ओके, तो मैं ऐसा भग गया. मेरे साइड का बंदा वो भी भग गया, उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड वो भी भग गई. इट जस्ट लाइक एवरी वन वेंट फार अवे, एंड सडनली वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड पुट द बकेट इनटू दैट माउथ. एंड वो टाइमिंग इतना जबरदस्त था, उसकी पूरी की पूरी उल्टी उस बकेट में गई भाई. हम इतना हंसने लगे. द टाइमिंग वाज रियली रियली इनक्रेडिबल. ओके, I don't know, are you visualizing this thing or not, but it was like रियली 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 एपिक मोमेंट। ओके, हम हंस हंस के पागल हो गए थे। ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि दारू पीने के बाद सभी लोगों का जो नशा करने का जो, like basically the way that person does after drink was kind of like something really very different. Okay, very different, very unique. So it's a, I don't know, yeah, but it's like this is kind of like a something really moment that every time we think, like basically yeah, sometime that like उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि हमने like we actually think about that stuff day after that, or maybe that day we actually like इतना हंसने लगे and some of the people like some like I it didn't really happen with me that कि पानी नाक से बाहर निकल गया, but yeah, this kind of like basically this is kind of like something like even more happiest moment in my life that I might not forget that in my entire life. It's really really amazing moment, really really amazing. Yeah, next question.